Hi guys, it's Dorla LV Lux Girl here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm back with another video. So I said I was going to do a walk-in closet tour. I had started this project a couple weeks ago and basically changed the whole interior of my closet. There was a time when I had coats and boots and different things in this room, and I decided to just make it a bag room, walk-in closet and bag room. So I finally got it a little bit more up to par to where I was happy and I felt comfortable that I could share it with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick little tour of the finished result of my room. So let me step back so you can see a little bit better. What the room looks like. Now initially I said I had a gray rug in here and I said I was going to get a red rug, a red carpet, and I did find one. My fear initially with the red carpet was I didn't want it to look like Heinz tomato ketchup red or like Ronald McDonald red. But I was able to find a red rug on Amazon, and I had it in here for a little while, but I ended up still not being happy with it. So right now, as it stands, I'm actually happy with this pink rug that I have in here. It's like a blush color or peony color rug that I'm loving the color peony right now, like the peony flower bush. So anyway, when you first walk into the room, the first thing over here, there's a couple of shelves, and basically I just have my handbags stored on it. So I'm just going to go through the shelves with you. The bottom shelves I'm still working on. I have my sunglasses down there and some perfume. Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love bag, some of my other bags. I have a little area here where I have some lotion and different little things that I could grab at the last minute and throw in my bag. So I'm going to go across the top shelf with you first. These are items that are on the top shelf. You can hear my hardwood floors creaking. Then come down to the second shelf where I have some of my bag charms stored or hanging on that little rounder. Now, I wanted to knock this room out real quick. I know a lot of YouTubers have the IKEA shelving units, and I thought about it. Those are very nice. They are very nice. They're a little more costly. So I went ahead and just went with these shelving units. They're much less inexpensive, guys. They don't have the high quality look that you might be going for as far as with the IKEA shelving units. But you see, they do the same gosh darn thing, and I'm happy with them. I just wanted to have to knock out my room really quickly and have a way to display my items. So I'm happy with the way things turned out. And I'm constantly changing. So, at some point, this room is going to get changed again. Because I don't know, that's just the way I am. I like to always do updos and change things around. Over here I have some of my SLGs and card holders stored. I have a little pillow and a little sit down area that I could sit and put my shoes on in the morning. Hardwood floors always creak so much. So this is basically what you see. Then if you come in the room, I'm going to come in the room and do a 360. So when you come out the room, this is basically what you're going to be looking at. Okay guys, so for now this is the way my walk-in closet is looking, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out, at least for right now. I don't know how long I'm going to leave it like this, but remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my video and on my channel. And please come back, follow me on Instagram as well. My name on Instagram is the same as here on YouTube. It's LV Lux Girl. And remember to leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Thanks guys. Come back to my channel and I'll see you again soon.